What if I told you that just 7 Japanese exercises could completely restore your physical vitality? If you're over 50, these movements are the secret to flushing out circulatory blockages and reclaiming your peak natural strength instantly. I'm Dr. Alyssa Thompson, and I help men unlock hidden strength and peak performance using real science-backed methods. Let's get started. Exercise 1, Bridge Pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling while reaching your arms over your head to touch the floor behind you. Then return to the starting position and repeat. Do it for 30 seconds. Exercise 2, Bodyweight Front Plank to Downward Dog. Start in a high plank position, then push your hips up and back into a downward dog pose. Lower your hips back down to the plank position and repeat the movement. Do it for 30 seconds. Exercise 3, Lying Bent Knee Figure. Lie flat on your back and lift one leg, bending the knee at a 90-degree angle. Rotate your hip to bring the bent knee across your body toward the floor. Then return and alternate sides. Do it for 30 seconds. Exercise 4, Child Pose. Start in a kneeling position on all fours. Then slowly push your hips back toward your heels while stretching your arms forward on the floor. Lower your chest and relax into the stretch before returning to the starting position. Do it for 30 seconds. Before we continue, tell me in the comments which city or country you're watching from. I personally read every single comment. Exercise 5, Lying Hover Legs Clap. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides. Lift your legs slightly off the floor and spread them wide, then bring them back together as if clapping your feet, keeping your core tight and legs hovering throughout. Do it for 30 seconds. Exercise 6, Sliding Leg Curl on Floor with Towel. Lie on your back with your knees bent and heels on a towel. Lift your hips into a bridge, then slowly slide your feet out until your legs are straight and pull them back toward your glutes while keeping your hips elevated. Do it for 30 seconds. Exercise 7, Inner Thigh Pulse. Lie on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open. Lift your legs slightly and pulse your knees inward and outward in small, controlled movements to target the inner thighs. Do it for 30 seconds. After the age of 50, natural blood flow to the pelvic region often declines, leading to decreased stamina and physical confidence. These specific exercises are designed to flush out circulatory blockages, significantly boosting pelvic blood flow and increasing testosterone levels. By strengthening the deep pelvic foundation, you ensure better muscle control, improved vitality, and lasting performance. Stop letting age dictate your potential. Reclaim your peak vitality today. Subscribe now to unlock more professional protocols, and I'll see you in the next video.